Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So as you see in the background, there's Cameron waving. And we also have Ferrari, California, which looks absolutely incredible with like the satin black roof that we did. So we're actually going to be doing these front vents, and then we're doing the gas cap, which actually have it right here in carbon fiber, which looks absolutely amazing. And if you don't remember, haven't seen the last video, we did the carbon fiber on the whole back, which looks so good. Definitely ties in like the back end. And then we did the satin black on the whole roof. If you guys want to see that video, definitely go down in the description below. There'll be a link to that video. So you can go check that out after you watch this one. Alright, so another thing we're doing on the Ferrari is on the hood you can kind of see where it's raised up a little bit right here in the middle. So we're going to do all that satin black to match the roof. So right now Cameron's actually putting on a bunch of pretty much like tape, trying to tape that off because we're actually going to be super wrapping the vents because it's just going to be a lot easier, a lot better. It's going to be a cleaner product in the end, so we definitely want it to look as good as possible. Alright, another thing we're actually doing is we're going to be wrapping the mirrors satin black as well. So this car is going to have a lot of nice black trim. It's going to go along with the bright red. It's going to look so good, so balanced, and I can't wait to pretty much get everything done. Also, another thing, we're going to add carbon fiber to the top of these taillights here. And then if you want to follow Seth, right here is his Instagram, so definitely go check that out. These will be on the car at the end, but yeah, my life ATX. Alright, so I just finished up the fuel cap door, which is in carbon fiber and it looks really good. We just like that nice gloss, and then even on the inside as well. So I think that looks absolutely amazing. So then once it's closed, that looks incredible. Alright, so we just replaced the shock right here on the rear hatch because it's obviously shocks go out. It was actually super easy. So we're doing this side right now. So essentially just pop off this little tiny ring, and then the shock itself just pops right off the ball joint after that.
Nice. All right.
Just like that. And then the new one, it's pretty much hook straight in there. And then this will
Nice.
just like that, replacing the shocks on a Ferrari, California. Does it feel a lot better?
Well, now we have to open it. I remember before it was like two hands. Ah, it is a lot better.
Nice.
I did it with one hand.
Nice.
I don't know if I could do it with one finger, but one hand is better than.
Yeah.
Alright, so Cameron pretty much just finished up this vent on this side, which looks really good. The hood is, as you can see, it's done. And now we're working around on the back side. We're going to do the taillights. Alright, so I went ahead and taped off with the knifeless tape on the back of the taillight. So this whole top piece is going to be carbon. It's going to wrap down a little bit on either side. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. Alright, so Cameron's pretty much been wrapping this mirror, which looks absolutely insane. Same exact satin black as the roof. And then while he was doing that, I actually worked on the top of these taillights, which looks really good. And that's on both sides already, so gosh, this carbon fiber looks absolutely amazing. Like, it looks like legitimate carbon fiber. But with these are actually not technically the actual taillights. They're fog lights. Because I guess the European standard is if your light is on a moving part, since this whole entire hatch goes up, it cannot be the official taillight. So this right here and those are the actual taillights for the car. So the reverse lights, everything's in there. These are just more of like a decorative fog light, but they still do turn on red, but only on just this back face, and that's why we wrapped the whole top of it. Alright, so Cameron did an absolutely amazing job on the top part of the mirror here. I'm just wrapping up with the bottom portion, this little pillar. It looks really, really good. As you can see, there's like the scrap. I just got to finish going around the backside with it. We're finishing up the other mirror on the other side, and after that, it's done and it's good to go. And that middle stripe looks so good. And then these black vents. everything on this car has been turning out absolutely amazing, and I'm so happy with it, and Seth is so happy with it as well. I mean, it's his car, and that's all that matters, but it's looking really awesome, especially with all the satin black and then the carbon fiber. It's just turned out really well. All right, so we just finished up the Ferrari, which looks absolutely insane. We did a lot of work on this thing, and it's like I said, it's insane. It's awesome. I just absolutely love it. Seth loves it, and we did a great job working on this. Like, we spent all day making it look amazing. But here it is, the final product. Alright, so last time we worked on the car, like I said before, we did like the satin black roof, and then we did this carbon fiber rear trim that goes all the way across the back. Today we did carbon fiber on top of both of these lights, which looks really nice and clean. We did a carbon fiber gas cap, and then moving down the side, we did satin black on both of the mirrors, and then these little vents we actually did in super wrap, which looks really cool as well. But to touch it all off, we did this really nice stripe that leads with the actual hood intake. So it's an actual working vent. So it starts there and then just carries all the way back, which kind of definitely matches with the satin black roof. And just the whole black and red theme looks absolutely amazing. But especially like both those mirrors look really good, and all the different black trim all over the car. But definitely, if you guys want to go check out Seth, that's his Instagram, MyLifeATX, so definitely go check him out. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, definitely go down, hit the subscribe button, and if you just really enjoyed it and just want to show some support, definitely hit that like button as well. But if you guys have any opinions on the car, what we did to it, or just any crazy ideas, put it down in the comments below. And if you're in the San Antonio area and you want a crazy awesome wrap or just any kind of cool details, trim, decals, anything, check out Apex Vinyl Solutions. And I'm pretty sure in the near future we're going to be doing more videos with this Ferrari California. So definitely stay tuned for that. Another reason to subscribe. And a lot of crazy new wraps coming up. So definitely stay tuned. But as always, thank you for watching.